Today, we are diving into the beautiful world of Dreamcatchers, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create your very own. It's going to be so much fun, and when we're done, you'll have this gorgeous piece of art to show off. So let's grab our creative spirit and get started. Okay, so first things first. Every awesome adventure needs a map and some gear, right? Before we start weaving, let's make sure we have everything we need. Here's our list for our magical toolkit. And don't worry, all this stuff is super easy to find. This is where you can really start thinking about your own personal style with colors and textures. Okay, so first you need a hoop, a metal or wooden one. Either one works great. Then, to wrap it, pick out some super cute suede lace or pretty ribbon, whatever your vibe is. And for the web itself, you'll need a good, strong string. Waxed nylon cord is like the best, because it's really sturdy and doesn't get all tangled up. And now for the best part, the sparkle. This is where you get to show off your personality. Grab all the fun beads and pretty feathers you can find. And of course, you'll need the basics, scissors, some craft glue. Oh, and a little secret weapon, small binder clips. Seriously, these things are so helpful. You'll see why in a bit. Okay, quick tip for your wrapping ribbon. To make sure you have enough to cover the whole hoop really nicely, a good trick is to get a piece that's about 18 times as long as your hoop is wide. I know, it sounds like a lot, but it makes for a perfect snug wrap. And for the string you're going to weave the web with, aim for about 10 times the hoop's diameter. Again, it might seem like way too much, but trust me, you'll be so glad you have extra. Running out of string halfway through is the worst. All right, got all your stuff? Awesome. Let's get to the first actual crafting step, making that hoop look amazing. This is our foundation. So this part is super chill and fun. Just put a little dab of glue on the hoop and stick the end of your ribbon right on it. Then just start wrapping. You'll want to pull it pretty tight and let each new wrap overlap the last one just a little bit. When you get all the way back to the start, just add one more dot of glue to hold it down. Easy peasy. See, I told you those binder clips would come in handy. Just clip the start and end of the ribbon down while the glue is doing its thing. It's like having a little helper to hold everything perfectly in place for you. And look at that, your foundation is done and it looks amazing. Just give it like 15 or 20 minutes to dry completely. We've just made the perfect canvas for our magical web. Okay, our hoop is ready to go. Now it's time for the most magical part, weaving the web. This is where it really starts to look like a dream catcher. Let's do this. First thing, tie your string to the top of the hoop with a really good tight knot. Now you're going to stretch the string over a few inches, loop it around the hoop from the back to the front, and then pull the end through that little loop you just made. Pull it tight and bam, that's your first hitch. Now just keep doing that all the way around, trying to keep the spaces even. Okay, listen up. This is like the most important secret to a perfect web. You have to have an odd number of loops when you finish this first round. Seriously, an odd number is the magic code that makes the whole spiral work later on. So count them. All right, for the next row, we're gonna start weaving inward. So instead of going around the hoop, you're gonna do the exact same loop, but through the middle of the string from the first row. See how it starts making that cool spiral pattern? And whenever you feel like it, just pop a bead onto your string before you make the next loop. Just keep on going, row by row, until the hole in the middle is super tiny. Then tie it off with a good knot and snip the extra string. And hey, don't worry if it's not like perfectly perfect. That's what makes it so cool. Every handmade Dreamcatcher is totally unique, and every little loop you make just adds to its personality. You're doing great. The web looks incredible. Now we get to my absolute favorite part, adding all the fun, sparkly things that make this Dreamcatcher 100% you. Okay, first, let's add a little loop at the top so you can hang it up. Just use a small piece of your ribbon for that. Next, grab a few long pieces of string or ribbon and tie them onto the bottom of the hoop. These are going to be the gorgeous dangly tails that we get to decorate. Here's another little pro tip for you. When you slide a bead onto one of the dangly strings, tie a tiny knot right under it. That'll keep the bead from sliding all the way down and keep it exactly where you want it. This is where you can go totally wild. Add tons of colorful beads, tie on different kinds of feathers, maybe use some long flowy ribbons. Ooh, you could even add a special little charm that means something to you. Seriously, this is your masterpiece. There are no rules. Just have fun and pick out whatever makes you smile. Let your personality shine right through it. And that's it. Our crafting journey is done. Can you believe you took a bunch of simple supplies and turned them into this beautiful, magical piece of art? You totally did it. Just take a second and look at what you made. You should be so proud. Now all that's left is to find the perfect spot for it. Hang it over your bed for sweet dreams, or maybe in a window so it can catch the sun. So now that you're a Dreamcatcher expert, where are you gonna hang yours? Think of all the cool ones you can make now for your friends. Thank you so much for hanging out and crafting with me today. I hope you had the best time, and I can't wait to see what you create next. Sweet dreams.